Hey guys, so this is the tour. Alright, by the way, yes, I know my smoke alarm is going off. Please forgive me. Alright, just gonna look down. So I've taken all the carpet off. I still have to take the carpet tacks off. I have to yank those off. So that's my goal for tonight. More so than painting, honestly. So to start off, remember, I spent $5,000 for these chairs. I'm gonna start off, these the four says lighting. I spent $1,100 for them. Normally they're like $3,200, but the guy did me a favor, you know? So they're very beautiful. Remember I told you guys that I had a 65-inch screen TV. So this place was very nice, you know? I really built it up. I tried to build it up for people to feel relaxed. All right, so moving forward, you see this hole in the wall? I have security cameras, right? And I paid the guy $1,650 to do, to build a box here for me. I wanted a box here, or ideally right here, near here. That way, the Wi-Fi router, and this one's the Wi-Fi router, and this one's the hub. That's the hub for the security camera. Yeah, but he cut that hole in there and he never came back. So that is the most expensive hole I've ever had in my life. $1,650 hole. Right. And you could do exactly what I wanted you to do, because what I wanted him to do, because there's already a second outlet here. Each outlet is probably a few $100s, just like outlets alone. I remember I did the trash move this weekend over 4th of July. So this is what the backyard looks like now. So it looks good, right? Looks good. Just need a little cleaning up, and my bushes need trimming. All my flowers came in. It's so beautiful, right? But unfortunately, it makes your deck look like garbage. That's the plant pot, remember? That somebody left here. Won't name any names. By the way, speaking of another COVID tenant, you see this? Yeah, that's what it looks like. They'd always come over, drink, whatever. Instead of paying me, the person would always have like Thanksgiving dinner and things of that nature. They were eating good. And one of these days they were eating good, having a good time. They literally bust my window. So I'm gonna scrape this glass off and just keep using it, because you have to learn how to, innovate. I was thinking about changing this whole thing, and I realized that would be stupid of me. So I'll just scrape and take all those little glass pieces off. Make sure it's safe and glass will never hurt anybody. Oh, let me show you this. That hole happened the same day. And look, if you look closely, you can read I kill. Imagine, right? So I, and then here's the K, there's the I, L, L. Yeah. See? Can you see it? So imagine, these are the things people are doing in your home. You cannot legally evict them. You can change the locks on them. Anyways, moving on. So the only actual new appliances I bought were washer and dryer. So there's a washer and dryer in the basement. I'm not going to give you a tour of the basement because I do have people here. But the washer, so that pipeline and everything, right? That whole wall was torn down, and I'll look for pictures to post later for you guys. That whole wall was torn down, and we ran pipes. That cost me $1,100 to run the pipes and make it look good, get the outlets there, everything. And these washer and dryer was $650, I'm pretty sure, right? I installed them. I just had him run the hot and cold, everything. So yeah, that was a good investment. I say that some things that you buy brand new should be washer and dryers. I don't think you should buy anything else brand new, including fridge, microwave, food, stoves. I don't think you should get that new. But you should get a washer and dryer new, because it comes with a warranty and stuff. And that'll be like probably one of your biggest pain in the booties. I did buy a fridge brand new for the basement. Again, another thing I wasted money on. Not that I didn't want to get it for them or anything, but I spent $2,650 on that, and I should not have bought that. I should have just, again, done like a Home Depot run. But I just wanted, without my plans for the basement was, I wanted them to have their own washer and dryer. I wanted them to have their own fridge. I wanted them to have everything. They've got one running water. They've got their own bathroom. They have, they've got their own sink. I wanted them to have everything. I want to have their own lighting. So I built in lighting in the basement. So they have everything. They have no reason to come up here, and people up here don't have any reason to go down there. Like here, just like that. Oh, one more thing. Let's go back to the kitchen. So again, remember, every 3 or 4 lights cost me $1,100. Just keep that in mind. Let me turn this light on. This is a beautiful light. And I'll have to paint that. I'm worried I may have to paint this whole kitchen. I really don't want to, but this is a very beautiful light. And I bought new light bulbs so I can like switch out and add new lights.